Hi there, we're still on Product Manager, and today I will be discussing with you price points. Price points are used when the need to have one store differently priced on the same product versus another. Note that price points will override the retail price loaded for that specific product in the selected store. Price points are not regarded as a markdown or a promotion, and that the loyalty rule set will still apply. I'm now going to show you how to create a price point. On your Product Manager screen, select an item, click on Price Points. In your Price Points screen, select a store you would like to create a price point for. Notice the product details appear. Here are your cost price and your retail price. I'm going to change this retail price. Enter. Select on the retail price that you've just changed. Right click. Select Apply to all cells. Notice how the retail price has changed on all the sizes of this product. Notice the product is enabled. Click OK. And that is how you would create a price point on a product. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.